Hello, my name is Charles Eady. I'm the Executive Director of the Community Library of DeWitt in Janesville. About every year this time, our library comes to you, our community, and asks if you might see your way through to giving us some financial assistance. And we do this in a year that has been quite different for us as we have attempted to expand our services in the face of a global pandemic.
All right, here we go. This is the wheels on the uh-oh.
Here's our final product.
It has not been easy, and I'm very proud of the staff that have been able to not only deliver materials at a very high rate, but have also been able to think of new ways to extend their services outside our walls.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn with Your Librarian, our weekly new web series where we introduce you to library digital resources and more.
For example, we had a 5-year-old patron donate the contents of his piggy bank. We're not asking you to break into your piggy bank, but if you could see your way through to any kind of assistance, we would really appreciate it. So thank you very much. Again, I'm Charles Eady, Executive Director of the Community Library of DeWitt in Janesville.